Yo, what's up guys? We're checking out this 200 watt power inverter off of Amazon that we got in today. We got 3 USB plugs, a little USB-C port, I think that's what that one's called. And then we've got 2 of your standard plugins here. And then all is powered by this guy right here, which it says you can plug and unplug this thing 7,000 times before it wears out. Give that a test today. Let's find out if you can do that. But we've got some items right here that we're gonna plug in and see what they can do. We got some standard laptops, your iPad, your iPhone, a battery charger, an LED light, your standard household light, because you never know when you might want to plug in a lamp inside your car. Then even a coffee maker, and if we can make it, we've got a shop vac too, but I don't know if this thing can handle it. So let's jump in the car, plug this into our 12 volt power accessory port, and check out and see what we can charge and what we can't with this guy right here. All right guys, so we're just gonna go ahead and plug this thing in. On our car, we need to hit to the accessory, boom, power button, boom, power button. We've got power there. So we're gonna start with some easy stuff like our phones, an iPad for the kids, and even a portable battery charger. Go ahead and get these things plugged in here. Now the case on this is it's an ABS plastic, so it's nice and durable, can take a couple bumps or bangs throwing around the car. The kids get a hold of it, you drop it. All right, we got this thing charging up. We're at 5%. That go. Then let's plug in one for our phone here. Boom, phone's charging up, 84%. All right guys, let's put our last USB port in here on our battery charger for our mobile phone battery, and then that's going here. So right now we've got all 3 of the USB chargers still going. We still got the blue light, so we're good to go. Now let's try and see what we can plug into these guys here. I think the most sensible thing to plug in your car that you'll probably actually need is to charge your laptop while you go. So I've got 2 laptops, so we can check those out, plug them in, see what happens. All right guys, the first one we have is just your standard Dell laptop computer. Maybe you're at work, you need to do some work while you're on the road. Plug it in here. We'll just plug it into our power port. It's working. We got a blue light. Boom, it's charging. So right now we're charging our laptop and our iPad, our iPhone, and our accessory battery here. This is just with your standard power supply. Now I've got another laptop right here. This is my laptop I use for editing videos and all that kind of stuff. The power supply is significantly bigger. So let's see if it can handle this guy here. Turn this on real quick. Nope. As soon as we turned it on, the battery's full on this, but we just went to a red light on here, which means it's overloaded. It's probably just this power supply is going to be way too big, because look right here, it's 230 watt. This is a 200 watt inverter, so we're already over our limit there. What is this guy? This guy's 65 watts. So something like this guy here for this laptop, not gonna work, but on your standard your standard issue stuff, doesn't seem to have a problem. All right guys, we've got just our LED light here that I use, and it's got just a USB. I don't know how many watts it is, but let's plug it in and see what happens. All right guys, will our lamp turn on? Whew, yeah, it works. That works. We've got a little light in here. Let's do a little light in this area. All right, now we've got your standard household lamp. You know, I'd plug this in. Ask your wife first if you can do this, because I did not ask my wife. I'm probably gonna get in trouble. All right, let's see how this works. Let's turn this one off for dramatic effect. Dun, 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 dun. Ho ho, look at that. Is it just one setting?
Yeah.
All right, there we go. We got our lamp plugged into our car. It's working, dude. Look at that. All right, let's say we need to brew up some coffee on our road trip. God forbid you're living in your car, but here we go. Let's see if the coffee maker will work. plugging it in here. Nope, no coffee maker. Sorry, guys. And that means no vacuum cleaner either. Look at our little car converter here, 200 watts. Just have to be mindful of what you're plugging into. One laptop worked no problem. Our other laptop with the big power supply wouldn't charge it. This is great if you need to add a couple USB ports to your car. If you got an older car, like we got on our project car here, we don't have any factory USB ports, so this is perfect for that. And then even if you need to plug in some crazy stuff right there for your laptop, you got under 200 watt charger, you can go ahead and get the job done with that. Got links in the description for this product down below if you want to check it out. But I'd say for the USB plugs alone, if you don't have them, they're a must have, so go ahead and check this out. See you guys on the next one. Peace.